electronic flight envelope. Protection. This is the cornerstone of the Airbus FBW system. The FCCs continuously monitor flight parameters and prevent the aircraft from exceeding its aerodynamic or structural limits. Examples include alpha floor protection. Automatically increases engine thrust if the aircraft approaches a stall angle of attack. Pitch attitude limits. Prevents excessive nose up or nose down angles. Bank angle limits. Restricts roll angles, typically to 67 degrees in normal law, automatically returning to 33 degrees once the stick is released. Overspeed protection prevents the aircraft from exceeding its maximum operating speed. Load factor protection prevents excessive G forces.